it's Hipster George Washington. Welcome to Hipster Code. So today I want to go over this content examples sample project. So if you want to find this, it's under samples within here, right there, content examples. And the reason being is I am like a lot of you, possibly you yourself, where I learn almost everything through tutorials. But you know what? There are a lot of very helpful sample projects here, not just the super famous game animation sample, but several of these you can actually learn stuff from. So I just downloaded this content example one, and I was checking it out and I wanted to do a video about it. So whenever you go and open it up, now just so you know, I turned down the graphics settings because my computer is a potato and I need a new graphics card. But this welcome level here sort of walks you through just how to use all of the levels. So there's multiple levels that walk you through a couple of different categories of Unreal Engine-ness. I don't things to do with an Unreal Engine. Here, it's easier to just show you. So if you go here to levels, you see that there's a level to demonstrate landscaping, post-processing, scripting, streaming, volumes. And I looked through landscape, post-processing, scripting. I haven't gone through these two yet, but I found them like actually pretty helpful. So what you'll see is each one has a little walkthrough. If you ever have gotten, you know, assets from the Unreal Marketplace, a lot of them will have these demo scenes, but these ones actually give you example code and stuff like that that you could use in your own project or manipulate for your own project. So if we play this level landscape here, you can see here it sort of walks you through a little bit about Unreal Engine's landscapes. You can read the documentation on the walls here. But then it goes and it shows something like this first thing I didn't even know you could do. It shows here that you can actually go and create masks, these three-dimensional masks that also get rid of collision for things like tunnels. But yeah, it shows you all this stuff. Land mass. Oh, I broke it because there used to be, if you open it up yourself, there's a little land mass here, but I think I broke the blueprint. But it shows that you can actually use blueprints to manipulate landscapes, and then it gives you a really well done landscape here and sort of explains the decoration process. So this is actually a really cool looking landscape, which is really good. And also I'm on medium graphic settings, so it's going to look even better than this if you don't have a potato PC like me. So the other one I looked at was like this post-processing one I thought was really helpful. So if you go through here, it actually gives you a visual example of lots of different post-processing volumes that you can go and input. Here all localized, where you can go and do, okay, this is like a film post-processing. You can see this here. You can see this here. We got a little black and white thing. But you can see you can manipulate the color. You can manipulate the bloom, so you can see different bloom. I like this one. This one's pretty cool because just enough for like a neon light to be manipulated. Ambient cube map. I guess just ambient light. You can see different auto exposures, motion blur. So you can see, yeah, look at how much different that looks. Blendables. Oh, this is weird looking. We're tripping out, man. We're tripping out. I don't get what priority is. Maybe it's just the color channels get different priorities, so you can manipulate the way that it looks. Blend radius, I don't know what that is. And then this one here just shows the example of, you know, what I usually do with my post-processing volumes, which is I just turn on the little infinite extent. So yeah, so you have this. The scripting one too, I thought was pretty helpful. So we won't go through the entire thing, but let's see, where do you even start? Oh, yeah, but it shows... Oh, yeah, this is the one... Oh, yeah, this one I think I'm going to do a separate video on. So I'm going to do a separate video on this because I don't use my level blueprint hardly ever, but it's showing here that maybe it isn't the worst thing in the world for me to use it more often for things like this where in the world you have different actors that are being manipulated. And so you could actually have the level blueprint be doing some of the logic. So you can go here and you go over this little volume here, and then it spawns these, the coins, like Mario coins. So I think I'm going to do a separate video on this one and sort of talk about the concept of level blueprints. So, but there you go. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out. Let me know if you found this sample project helpful at all. Let me know if you found any other sample projects helpful at all. And I'll see you in the next video. This is Hipster George Washington, Hipster Codes. Make videos every Wednesday at noon Central Time. We'll see ya. Peace.